Welcome back to the third day of Pineapple Festival 2025. Kabalong menta hapo dilihat INA, but kadon ro hapo India Gate. Te one ngin ya let man explore ya kani ka market menta kasngi. Come with me. The paralog now come with me and ngin let man kali ya ki patba bat kumjuru ya ki bawan bahakani ka festival ngin kali pangani ka festival. Te one bat nga. Te paralog mentang adan be iwe na ki paralog jengi bawan man visit ya kani ka festival. They come, we'll ask some more questions regarding this pineapple festival. We'll ask ma'am about her experience, so come with me. So ma'am, if you will kindly like to introduce yourself and where are you from?
Hi, my name is Shubha. I'm from Delhi. I born and brought up here.
Okay, so Delhi, which part?
South Delhi.
South Delhi. Okay, I stay in Saket.
Okay, I stay very near there in Greater Kailash.
Okay, Greater Kailash. So ma'am, I believe this is your first time visiting this festival?
Yes.
Okay, so how did you came to know regarding this festival?
So I saw it in the advertisement in the newspaper in Times of India. My father has visited Meghalaya many times.
Okay.
I've visited a couple of times and we love the state. We love the pineapples. So when we got to know that the Pineapple Festival is happening in Delhi, this is the third edition, but unfortunately we weren't aware of the previous 2 years. So we just had to come, and we also saw a small blog by this small blogger called Explore with Delhi by Satya.
Yes.
Lovely guy. I go by whatever he says. He loved it. And we also saw the news reports of Ashtak. So here we are on a Sunday.
That's good. So since you are here, I noticed you have been eating this putharu and dojam, which is very famous in Shillong. Like everyone loves it. So I want to ask you, how's your experience eating that?
So the putharu is over. So I'm having it with a coconut rice cake.
Coconut rice.
And the pork. And it tastes delicious because of the mixture of the sweet and the spiciness and fattiness of the pork.
Yes.
The pork quality is very good and it's been made very, very well.
Yeah, it's made with
spicy.
black sesame seeds.
Okay, it's perfectly spicy. Amazing for the palate.
So have you tried pineapple yet, or
We had the pineapple juice and we're going to have the pineapple at the end after we have filled up our stomach with
Yes,
the
as a
food.
dessert. Okay, I can understand. So you came by yourself or with
No,
your
my
family?
parents are here. My
Oh,
mom
hi
is
ma'am.
here.
Hi. I hope you enjoy your time here. So just feel like home, and whatever question you have, you can always reach out to any one of us. We'll be glad. So guys, give a shout out to ma'am. If you have an Instagram ID, you can just
I
say.
don't, unfortunately. Very old-fashioned.
That's okay. But thank you so much, ma'am. Have
My
a good
pleasure
day and enjoy
entirely.
your time.
And I'll tell everybody to please come. It's there till this evening. So come over. Don't get lazy on a Sunday. Just come over.
There will be music also, so come and enjoy with
Yes,
us.
come over. Thank
See you soon.
Bye.